This is our day, second day of Typhoon Lagoon. Oh my God! This is our day, second day of Typhoon Lagoon. Yaba, you want today you and the baby picture?
Yeah.
Go over there.
Come on, princess.
Come on, princess. Come on, princess. 1, 2, 3. 아이고, 아이고 이뻐라. No.
Which one is it? What's the escalator?
Over there somewhere.
The 12?
Ah, we stay in the here,였어요,
Oh, no, there's
19 area, and you go there with the
Yep.
family.
Yep, let's go.
Let's go.
Stairs.
Yep, come on.
I actually did the 12 before.
Yep, that's good, right?
They actually don't have an escalator. Only on the ride though.
Yeah.
Go with the baby, 여보, hurry up.
Over here, move.
Why is that is better? Oh my gosh. I'm scared. Oh my God, getting deep.
2 feet.
No, why here 3 feet? Over the 2 feet? That make no sense. Yeah, but why stay here better?
There's no people.
Ah, no people. He doesn't like many people. He said, Mommy, no makeup face not bad. Crazy boy.
Listen. We'll go under the water and you can listen to my music.
I know.
Go under.
Under?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Go under.
I cannot hear. Yeah, exactly.
Can you hear it?
My ear, they try. I cannot.
Mommy's posing.
Hey.
Oh my God!
Did you have fun? No, that's it. We got one more. We gotta wait. Here.
Baby was so strong.
Yeah.
I still think that's him.
This is not water. This is raining. See, raining. Water power. What is that? Water power raining. What is that? Here is my hand. Okay, here, no rain, no rain. On the bridge. No, let go my tubo. You say you don't need the tubo, crazy.
No, so then we can go together. Or else I'm gonna.
아이고 잘한다. 아, rain. Raining.
Sit down properly. Yeah.
Ooh.
Welcome to Florida.
Rain, rain, go away. Ashley could not play. Rain, rain, go away. Ready? Yeah, mommy win. Hold on. Ooh, you win.
My eyes.
Your eyes. Yeah. Where?
Now you're leaving.
There we go. Get ready to hide it. Get ready to hide it. Turn it up. Turn it up.
It doesn't interest you? There's no way to
How was that, baby? Oh. It's scary, crazy scary.
Did you get it?
Oh,
It's a bad for
Did you see me say go?
yeah. This is thing.
What too?
This is thing.
Something small. Made it.
You mean fiber?
Yep.
Orange color and the fiber, right? There. We are here, yabo.
We're going there.
Keep straight and make right. Keep straight and make right.
So we need to on our way.
Crosswalk and keep straight. I told you and make right. That's fiber. Everything only. Let me see, only one ride.
This one. Oh yeah.
Let's go this one, and then when you get out, let's go that one. Not that big hard.
Yeah, but we can't have the GoPro, crazy.
Now, Daddy.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.